people. Welcome back to our 3-part series of our skincare products and tools from Raw Cut Soaps Co. This is episode 3, and I'm so happy you were able to make it this far. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Raw Cut Soaps Co. It is your girl Jasmine here, and thank you for coming back and viewing back for our episode 3 of our skincare tools for Raw Cut Soaps Co. Stay tuned to be able to see all of the perks of all of our skincare tools and what they do and the benefits that you get when using. So first, this is actually a product, but I labeled this as a tool in the sense that it's a manual exfoliation. Okay, this is a skincare scrub. Face and body scrub, but I didn't want to add this to my soaps episode, and I did not want to add this to my face and body oils. This is a time to shine light on this beautiful baby. So this is our sugar in my coffee body scrub. So the formula for this is so beautiful. It's not as messy, I would say, and it's not as much coffee in here. So we all know that we've probably, if you have used a coffee scrub, and it can be a little messy in the shower because of so much coffee grains. I tried to stay away from that because I'm really big on cleanliness, which is why I'm an esthetician. But this was a great way to be able to incorporate coffee and sugar together. So with my sugar and coffee scrub, I actually use cane sugar instead of a brown sugar or anything like that. I decided to use cane sugar because it comes completely from a cane sugar plant. Growing up in Miami, it was very nostalgic for me to think about cane sugar because it's very fine and very it's a great sugar other than brown sugar and other sugars that may be a little bit more gentle on the skin. I wanted to use a sugar that had a good grit to it, but also isn't too abrasive. So cane sugar was one of my what I came down to, and honestly it really makes a huge difference when it comes to exfoliation. The ingredients that are in the sugar in my coffee body scrub are cane sugar, coffee grains, organic honey, sunflower oil, vegetable glycerin, and organic rose water. So the sunflower oil acts as a high dose of vitamin E for the skin, and we all know that vitamin E is perfect for healing the skin, adding moisture and hydration. So not only do you get a good exfoliation, but you also get a very hydrating exfoliation. For people who suffer from dry skin, it's really hard for us to find body scrubs that are actually moisturizing. When I made this formula, honestly, it was really important for me to make sure that not only did this exfoliate beautifully, but it also moisturized your skin beautifully. After using this, you don't have to put on any lotion. I'm just gonna lay that right there. You don't have to put on any lotion, any moisturizer, because the vegetable glycerin and the oils that are in this scrub actually acts as your moisturizer.
So one thing that just randomly happens is I have chest breakouts. So this is my chest now, and I'm gonna show you what it was before I started using this product.
You'll feel your skin feel very renewed, rejuvenated, revived, and very, very smooth. Very, very smooth and very, very moisturizing. It was very important for me when I made this scrub that it targeted all of the people who have dry skin, hence Raw Cut Soaps Co., a dry skin solution. The directions for this would be apply only to freshly washed skin, gently rub for 15 to 30 seconds, rinse with warm then cool water, use every 3 to 4 days, external use only. So even though there's natural ingredients in here, I highly recommend that you do not eat this. I just have to put that out there. It does smell really good. So this actually coincides with our black activated charcoal with coffee. So some of the same ingredients are in this soap, except that this does not have black activated charcoal. Looking for a detoxifying exfoliating bar, our black activated charcoal with coffee is your best bet. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week, but this helps to pull impurities. This is mainly for evening skin tone, helping skin texture, and also evening hyperpigmentation. If you're having any ingrown hair problems in your bikini area, area, this is a perfect alternative as well, as long as with this, but this does not have black activated charcoal. All right, so next of our skincare tools is our crystal charging water bottles. So this here, we have clear quartz as our crystals, and then we have amethyst as our crystals on one. They come with bamboo tops on the top and the bottom. On the bottom of this water bottle, you can actually unscrew and change out your crystals. So if you have any crystals at home already and you would like to charge your water with the energy of your crystals, this will be a great way. Very important that you drink water, right? We all know that. But I wanted to incorporate a water bottle that was different, natural, and be able to incorporate crystals, because crystals is a huge part of this line. It's a raw material from the earth, and we also have our ultimate clay mask that comes with the mystery crystal, and I will get into that a little later. I'm gonna make that its own video because there's so many perks that come with that mask that it deserves to have its own video. So just wanted to put that out there. But yes, we are a crystal loving brand, okay? Bamboo on the top, bamboo on the bottom. This is perfect whenever you want to travel with a water bottle as well. This is the top here. It's secured and it suctions at the top, so you don't have to worry about it spilling. So I can go like this, no water will come out. I can put it upside down, no water will come out. It fits in your car holder as well. So this is really easy to travel, and it's also very stylish, I would say. So yeah, people who purchase this truly love it. It's their favorite water bottle. I do highly recommend that you do wash your crystal charging water bottles as soon as you get them. I wouldn't just put water straight into it. I have seen it. Whenever I've done pop-up shops and people buy that, they're so excited to get to it that they just find anywhere to put water. Say they even have a water bottle on them, they will literally just take out the packaging and just pour water into it because they're so excited to try it. I highly recommend that you wash it before you use it because it was made in a factory. So just to be safe while you're drinking your water, make sure you wash your crystal charging water bottles.
Yeah.
What's up? How you doing, Galactic?
Yo, I just got my raw cut soap. All I gotta say is amazing. Make sure y'all get y'all's, because if you don't, your life is not gonna be perfect at all.
I know that's right.
Thank y'all.
Look, he's switching, so he sells crystals too, so he's switching out his crystals. He bought the clear quartz time. He's putting his amethyst in right now. He's trying to find a way to fit it in there. He gonna make it fit.
I want like the dopest one.
Right, let's see which one he chooses. Let's see what he chooses.
You know, eventually I'm gonna change it out for tourmaline, so I'm just letting y'all know.
Exactly.
I'm switching out for tourmaline or shungite.
I know that's right.
Or shungite.
Right, so he put his crystal in there, right?
You know, I got some water.
Then he got his water.
I had to go get me some water.
I know that's right. Yeah.
And boom, we official right now.
I know that's right. All right, go ahead, set your intention on it.
Look, we rocking right now.
Yeah, we
Thank y'all
rocking.
so much, Raw Cut Soap. Love y'all.
Yeah, thank you.
So it is, our logo is engraved. Now we did upgrade our logo. So new ones will be coming out, but they all do the same thing, y'all. So that's one of our most popular skincare tools. Stay hydrated, but do it in a very cool, scientific, spiritual way, right? Right. Our next skincare tool is our bamboo soap dishes. So when you buy your soaps, and our soaps are, they last a very long time when taken care of properly. It will be a waste to buy our soap and not sit somewhere where it can dry, right? If you have a soap dish in your bath, your tub as well, or your shower as well, that's perfectly fine. But make sure it's a soap dish that's actually elevated where where air can actually hit the bottom of the soap dish as well, so your soap bar is able to completely dry. So for instance, I'll put my honey almond milk and oat soap on top of here after I get done. Boom. Easy. Over time you will have to clean this because the soaps when they're wet, sometimes the oils can get onto the soap bar. So it's important that you clean it. You can just go ahead and wash it with soap and water, dish detergent and water in the sink, and you should be perfectly fine. So when using your bamboo soap dish, you should be able to get at least 2 weeks of soap life, because this actually helps the soap to dry and keep its shape a little longer as well. So I highly recommend, if you buy our soaps, that you purchase a bamboo soap dish as well, just to preserve your soaps properly. Next is our green tea infused konjac sponge. Now when you first get it, it will look like this, okay? But once you wet it, it becomes very soft and it becomes a very smooth sponge, okay? So you can hang this up after you get done with it, but I use this for my face specifically. I don't necessarily use this for my body. I have a washcloth. I have a washcloth, so I use that for my body, and I use this for my face. So the benefits of the konjac sponge is that it's green tea infused, so it helps with skin that is very irritable, red, and sensitive. If you can't use exfoliants on your skin because your skin is so sensitive, this is a great alternative for a manual exfoliant, like a scrub or a foaming scrub or something like that. This is a great alternative. It's very gentle on the skin. If you want, you could use this by itself without using any soap as well. So just keep that in mind when using this. You don't necessarily have to use soap with it, but I do love to use this with my lavender turmeric soap bar. It pairs very well, and I see really great results. You can expect for your skin to look brighter and feel smoother. And this also helps with impurities like acne or breakouts and hyperpigmentation. So this lasts for 3 months. And it's best that you just purchase another one after a while. If you want, you can boil it for a short amount of time, up to 5 minutes. But I highly recommend that you just get another one, because dead skin cells and oils and everything, sometimes by 3 months, it's just not, I personally don't feel like it's healthy, so I would just get a new one. So these are only $9, but they last pretty long. 3 months is a pretty long time, so yeah, just keep that in mind. And it comes dehydrated, just like this. It holds its shape, and once you use it, once it gets wet, over time, if you don't use it for a while, it will get really small. But once you wet it again with water, it should get back to its original state. Okay. Our next skincare tool is our cotton exfoliating bag, where you can put your leftover soaps that are small. So say, you run through 4 soaps and they're all small and you don't know what to do with them. This cotton exfoliating bag would be a perfect alternative and a perfect suggestion, because once you put them in there like this, right, and you close it, you wet it, and this acts as a washcloth in a sense. It's cotton, so you can wash this on delicate if you like. But this is a great way for you to be able to utilize your small soaps once they get too small and you're not able to use them on your body no more. This is a great alternative. You can also put your entire bar of soap in here as well. Because it's made of cotton, and it has these ridges, it is considered to be exfoliating. It's a gentle exfoliant though, so I wouldn't worry about it being too abrasive on your skin unless you're scrubbing really hard. And I would be very mindful of how hard I'm scrubbing with this as well. But very natural exfoliant, very beautiful. It looks very nice as well, and you can actually utilize it again if you would like to wash it on delicate. So people love this. I know a lot of men love this because they like to use their entire bar of soap, and they'll just throw all of them in there, and this is just a great way to utilize and get your full bar's worth of soap. So yeah. I also want to add that your sugar and your coffee body scrub does come with our bamboo scooper, so you're able to not have to just dig into your exfoliant. Thank you if you stayed this long. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions or concerns or would like to share your experience with our products and skincare tools, please feel free to leave a comment down below. It's so beneficial to our channel, And thank you for tuning in, and see you again next time. Take care. Peace out.